is something that you will get from time to time in your Amazon business, and that is somebody complaining with the potentiality of leaving you a bad review based upon something that is completely out of your control, and that is the amount of time it takes Amazon to get your product into the hands of the customers. So it's often, if it takes more than, we've become so used to getting things the next day now. So we get emails 3 days after where people saying, where the hell is my stuff? I ordered this 3 days ago, where the hell is it? So if you get those things, really quick little tip for you. Again, I put this in the resources for you. So which is here, look, AOE resources or Amazon training, AOE resources. You get to this particular page with the fantabulous Kate Ingham just there. And then you want to come here where it says follow this link. And so it's up here. That's where it is. And the document is called How to Deal with FBA Complaints. So I'm going to give you the thing for it, send to all. So this is my template email that we use. This is the SOP, standard operating procedure, that we use if you get a complaint about that. Okay, so super easy. If ever you've got something that you want to find out about, I'm happy to share my SOPs with all this kind of thing. So it's dead easy. I'm so sorry there's an issue, blah blah blah. Amazon's fault, not my fault. Basically that's what all that shit says. Contact customer support. And I always put the support number in. Okay, so Amazon's got support numbers for customers, not for us sellers, of course. Screw you sellers, but for customers they've got numbers. So I just put it in for the marketplace. This one just happens to be the USA because that's actually where I get the most complaints about delivery times, is in the USA. We get heaps from there. I don't know what it is. And then I also, of course, include in it the contact page. Okay, I put these in for you as well, just so you've got them. Most folks are either selling in the USA, Australia, or the UK, so I've just put those three there. But you just delete the one what's not applicable and keep it with that. All right, super quick one for you. All right, that was a video from the Aussie online entrepreneurs every Monday night at 8 p.m. for the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We have a Q&A, and the video you've just watched was part of that Q&A. If you'd like to find out more about becoming a member of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, joining over 2,000 other folks right around the world who are choosing the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs to help them build their Amazon business, you can find out more by going to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link is in the description. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.